Hello guys, this is the first ever tour of my studio, my abode, my everything. So welcoming you all and a sneak peek to my space. Just entering the studio, besides the door, there is a very cute and my favorite corner of the studio is this space. Just look at this frame. When I had this thing in my mind, I was literally clueless how I am going to do it, what has to be done. Should we do like wall painting, or if in the frame, then who will do this? Like there was so many things in my mind, but I really wanted something related to this, something like this, and this is just perfect. Like this is like something about my personal life, how I manage, how I balance work and my kids and my professional life. Like it speaks so much about it. Here is my professional life, here are my two cute little pumpkins and everything, how I'm balancing, how I'm doing it. And it speaks so much about how a mom influencer's life looks like. But this is the perfect thing that I have in this space. And here is small console over here. This console, I specially wanted to make this frame, like I wanted to uplift this frame, so I wanted this console. And this console also, not to miss, but I've bought it from Amazon. It's a cheap buy. You can just go and check the link in the description box. It's for hardly like 4,000 or 6,000, I don't remember it. So yes, okay, on this console there are cute two little candle holders, and here is like a key holder, or you can say like again a mini candle holder, like a tea light candles. You can put it in this in a water, but I use it as a key holder. Okay, so this, and here is my cute little Jaguar, which is very heavy. But yes, this whole wall looks just complete, just perfect. And to uplift this, I have put a tube light over here, which is like two tube lights. It's white and yellow color. Okay, moving forward to this part of my studio. It's so spacious. I mean, my team really loves working over here. There is so much of a space in this corner of my studio. I mean, there's a perfect space for lights, camera. Everything is so perfect. Okay, not to miss this cute curtains, which are a little overwhelming, I know, but it's perfect as used as a backdrop. It's a bit of a textured and I really love it overall. Okay, not to miss the window. Window really is perfect. I mean, there is so much of a natural light and I really love having a cup of coffee looking at the window. It's just perfect. Okay, not to miss, there are two cute little corners over here, which I've added it with some of the colors in it, and whenever I'm shooting over here, sitting over here, I just drag them and we use it as a prop, and it's just perfect. Isn't it? How did you find it? Let me know in the comment section. Okay, moving forward to my studio, I've tried adding a lot of wallpapers to the walls, because wallpapers, concrete textured walls just gives you another backdrop, a great chic look, and I really love it. I mean, you can just re-swap it whenever you're bored. Okay, moving forward, there are two washrooms, like one is washroom, one is bathroom. You can have a detailed look. Okay, now let's move forward. Here is something that is all about myself. Like it's all about just the sassy mom, my own personal space. I really love to hang out over here, chill over here. I really get ready. I really do everything over here, and I really spend most of my time over here. Okay. Moving forward, I always wanted a pink room from the time I was like in college, and here finally I have tried to put that pink into reality. Okay, not to miss, this was actually pehle Dhaval ka cabin, which was a different, I just put a touch of my personality, and yes, I revamped this, and I really did not want it to do Torford, and I wanted to be as it is, because this gives me ehsaas of Dhaval. Yes, Dhaval plays a vital role in the Sassy Mom. Okay, not to miss this neon lights, which is like, it was legitly a dream. I really had put so much emotionally, physically, mentally, so much to bring the Sassy Mom as a reality till here where I am as a studio. It wasn't easy, but not to miss, Dhaval has been my pillar, my rock, my backbone. He has really supported me and has literally dragged me to bring the studio into reality. I will really tell you the story of the Sassy Mom, how it was born, what exactly it went on, and how did I do everything in some other vlog because आज का vlog मुझे really studio पे ही रखना है, so I'm not putting it so much efforts and so much telling you about that. But अगर आप लोगों को please जानना है तो do comment and ask me. I will really love to share it in some other video. Okay. Coming here, I really get ready. I really do everything over here. Like I have everything that is needed in this space. Like from getting ready, I have some clothes that are needed from shoots and all. There is a small mandir because I believe that God plays an important role in actually, if you believe in God, God believes in you, is what I feel. Okay, not a mess. Here is this my space, like where I write, where I put ideas into reality. I do everything over here. Like दिन के almost like 8 से 10 घंटे I spend over here, so it has to be how I want. Like there are only few friends, family who comes here, we chill here. I even have a TV to chill sometimes if I just want to take a break from a long hours of work, so I even have that. Okay, not to miss, here is everything in detail that I really want from, you know, for getting ready. So makeup, everything is stuffed over here. Yes, usually लोगों के यहाँ पे office table पे ऑफिस की चीजें होती है, बट हमारा ऑफिस का काम होता है getting ready for shoots and just looking beautiful. So this is the first and important thing. तो यहाँ पे वही सारी चीजें हैं. So some of my, please just ignore the mess, but yes, this is some of the things that I needed on my daily basis to get ready. So there are this few things. Okay, moving forward, this was actually a dream and I'm super excited to actually record this video. Let's move forward and let me take you ahead in my studio. So chalo, let's go. Okay, coming to the best and the most exciting part of this studio and the Sassy Mom is going to come up. It's the podcast. I'm so excited to actually record my first ever podcast. Like the Sassy Mom is going to come up with the first ever podcast in this coming months and I'm just super excited. Actually do not wanted to show you like this, but I was having a studio tour with you all, so why not? Because you are the best and the most important part of the Sassy Mom. तो ये तो बनता था आप लोगों को दिखाना and I'm really super excited and looking forward to actually shooting my first ever podcast. Yes, यहाँ पे बहुत सारी चीजें अभी missing है, like we do not have center tables over here, we don't have a mics over here, but आने वाले videos में जब आप देखोगे मेरा first ever podcast तो आप ये भी look देख लोगे how it is looking. So let's move forward. Okay, before moving forward, just forgot to mention about these 2 chairs I have just bought for 10,000 for 2 sofa chairs. Isn't it so cheap? I mean, I bought this from Bhiwandi. If you need number, address, please comment back or you can DM on my Instagram channel. Okay, now let's move forward. I want to show you a very good and a very relaxing part of my studio. Whenever I'm too tired up with work or very much overwhelmed and I just want to relax, I spend this over this part of my studio. Actually, about this part, I've tried keeping a wall plain. I did not want to add anything on the wall because if at all I'm using this part for my shoot, I don't want the concentration should go on the wall. So I've just kept it plain, just a bit of a more concrete and textured wall that I have matched it up with that. Now, about this sofa, I have tried giving a little bit of a blush pink color to my sofa. Again, this sofa I have bought it from a factory outlet in Ulhasnagar in Mumbai and it's also super cheap. Can you guess the price of this sofa? It's just 10,000. Yes, it's a 2-seater sofa, quite chic, quite elegant and look-wise it's super. And quality-wise, maybe it's more like if it's for house purpose, then it's something that I wouldn't like to recommend. But if it's for shoot purpose, for studio purpose, it's really a great buy. Okay, now coming to something that's besides my sofa, that's this side table, which again I bought it from Amazon. Okay, this is also like 2,000 I have paid for this side table, which in Bhiwandi, Ulhasnagar, or if you go to Goregaon, you will see this table for 7,000, which is quite expensive. Looking at the quality and looking at the look and all, it's like I wouldn't recommend to go and buy it from there. You can opt from Amazon. Now coming to the things that I have on this table is this side clock, and down I have This I actually am going to use for a podcast table, so I've just kept it for now. I have kept it down. So this is a cute microphone, which will be again a sign where a nice good prop near a podcast table. So this is what I had thought when I was buying this, and it's actually Dhaval's choice. Okay, so now moving forward to this center table. This center table again is from Amazon, and it's a quite cheap deal. Again, the price for this center table is just for 6,000, which in the market of Bhiwandi, Goregaon, if you go and see, it is for almost 12,000-15,000 that you get it. Now, to elevate this look of the center table, I have tried to manage it with some flowers, with some colors, and it's just looking so pretty. Okay, now moving forward, there's one more side table which I have again elevated with some vases, and there is a nice headphones which again has a sign, again has a this is actually, I bought it for podcast table, so there would be this and one minute, this, and there is this. So it would be like this. In between there would be a magazine or maybe something in between. I will keep it. So this is how it is going to be kept on a center table near podcast channel. For now, I have just kept it to just elevate this look for now to show you all. Okay, now let me show you kitchen of the studio. So come, let me show you this part of my studio. Literally, like, I'm very obsessed with sippers, cups, and I really love to stock them up. These are just a few of them which I have put it in the display. There is a lot more crockeries, lot more cups, sippers. There is so much inside this drawer. If you want a video, if you want a sneak peek inside it, please request me in the comment section, and I will surely try that to put it in a video. Hi, come meet my cute little baby. Say hi. See, your mama has so many yummy food inside these drawers, hai na? So I have mostly everything that I require, like fridge, aquaguard, inductions, whatever I require, ovens. That is basic requirement, because we spend most of our day here. 8 to 10 hours is the longest time that we spend here. So we have most of the thing over here. So yes, this is what my kitchen looks like, and I, Jiggly, both love this. Hai na, Jiggly? Hai na? Okay, not to miss, but this is the best part I feel of this studio. Like, this nursery, this hangouts place for my kids is the best thing. Like, my life revolves around them, and without them there cannot be anything. So they have to be around me while I'm shooting. So this corner I have given to them. They really spend so much time over here. Like, just have a look over here. This nursery has everything that my kids require. Each and everything that my kids really love doing over here, from a bookshelf to the bed to rest to the toys, it has everything. And Jiggly really was very keen on having a car theme room. So here it goes, like, it's everything about cars, and I really love, like, I felt ki काश मेरे बचपन में ये सब होता, and I really had this kind of a themey room, this kind of a dreamy room, and this is perfect. Yes, they really, like, Jiggly really wanted from so long, because घर पे we shared the bedrooms, like I, Dhaval, Jiggly, Jian, we really have a very big bedroom, but we all shared the room, तो वहाँ पे possible नहीं था. But यहाँ पे it had to be this way, because this is something that Jiggly always wanted. Okay, not to miss, I also have a cupboard over here for, you know, stuffing kids stuff and all. A cute little bookshelf, as I mentioned you. Then there is an affirmation over here which Jiggly has started reading it, so it bit knows the meaning of this word. So I've tried putting it over there. Then there is a cute what you call the wall hanging, like this is all about cars and the best collection of a car what he has, small cars that he loves, Hot Wheel cars. We have tried stuffing it over there. And yes, like, this frame is giving an elevated look to this frame, this wall, this wall I feel, and it's just perfect. Let me know in the comment section, how did you like my kids, my baby's room? Okay, not to miss, one more thing over here, like race car parking only, just a small thing, but yes, it's time to say bye-bye. I hope you enjoyed this video, loved my studio tour. And one more thing, if you haven't subscribed me, then please go and subscribe our channel And one more important thing, if you have not joined my Instagram community, then go and join today. I'm sure you will fall in love with my content. I keep posting a lot of about parenting, pregnancy, post-pregnancy, postpartum, and so much on. And you will really love it. So what are you waiting for? Join my Insta community and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Bye.